How to fix flash on Snapchat. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we are going to talk about fixing your flash on Snapchat. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch your Snapchat application. On the camera screen, look for the flash icon in the top that is between the double arrow and the music icon in the top right. Simply tap on it. Now, if you go ahead and try clicking a picture, the camera will give a flash to the object that you're trying to take a picture of. So Snapchat uses a screen flash that brightens the screen. And if you try using the front camera, you can switch to the rear camera at the top and then tap on the flash icon to turn the flash on. Press and hold the capture button to record a video with the flash, and the light will stay on for the entire video or photo that you want to take. So in order to fix this, you can go ahead and restart your phone first. And another thing you can do is you can update the Snapchat from your App Store or Play Store, whatever you're using. So go ahead and search for Snapchat. Once you find it, tap on update if you see the button instead of open. After that, you can go ahead and try clearing the cache of Snapchat application. So tap and hold on to it, tap on the eye icon in the top, scroll down and go to storage, and then tap on clear cache. So test your phone's regular flashlight app to see if the flashlight is working at all, and try uninstalling and reinstalling the Snapchat application. And make sure that your phone isn't overheating, as this can cause the flash to turn off automatically. So this was all about it. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.